Do you have trouble getting up in the morning and you need a little bit more of a vibrant alarm clock? Try the CLOCKY. We have this set to go off any second now, and this one should help you get up in the morning. And it does have a snooze button. It has all the standard features of how to set a clock. Just various buttons. Oh, here we go. So if you have to chase it around the room, I think you will get up in the morning. And then it has a snooze button. I hope this review helps. I hope you're having a great day, and thanks for watching.